Good morning, children. In the previous videos, we have successfully completed the lessons in Unit 1, which dealt with family. Okay, all of you understood how family is very important for us. So, without that, we'll not have the love and affection. Nowadays, the children, are missing all the love and affection of their grandparents and all the family members. We hardly find any joint family now. All the nuclear families only prevailing. So, we have seen in all the three lessons the tattered blanket, the My Mother poem, and a letter to a friend. So, how a family is very important. So, today we are going to learn about the Unit 2, which deals with the social issues. And there are again three lessons in the social issues. The first one is Oliver asks for more. And there is a poem, The Cry of Children, and the third lesson is Reaching the Unreached. So, Unit 2 deals with the social issues. Now, what are social issues? There are many social issues in our country like drug abuse, alcohol abuse, racial discrimination, gender inequality, unemployment, poverty, political corruptions, overpopulation, homelessness, and many more. Okay? So today we shall see, before going into the lesson, let me ask you a question. Which place do you feel the happiest place in the world? So, children, it is obvious that we all like to go out on a tour or to visit any place. But after we have gone out and enjoyed, we come back to our house and feel relaxed. We feel very comfortable, happy, and free at our home than anywhere else. So, wherever we go, our home is the happiest place in the world. So, do you agree with that? So, why do we feel the home the happiest place in the world? Because we are very comfortable, we have freedom, we can stay however we like. There's no one to question us. It's our home. So, we can stay however we like. And we always feel safe in our home. When we come back to our house, we feel relaxed. We breathe as if we are in our own place, isn't it? So, the home is the happiest place in the world. Now, in this unit 2, the first lesson is Oliver asks for more. So, what is Oliver asks for more? What does he ask? Now, before we go into the lesson, this lesson is an extract taken from Oliver Twist, which is written by Charles Dickens. So, Charles Dickens is a well known English novelist. He writes very good novels. And he was born in 1812. Okay. And due to his father's imprisonment, Charles left school and worked in a shoe factory. While he was working as an office boy, he launched his writing career. His novels, Oliver Twist, Great Expectations, Pickwick, Papers, Bleak House, A Tale of Two Cities, and David Copperfield brought him name all over the world. He went on lecture tours to America and got literary reputation. He focused on social issues and human ailments in his work. So, Charles Dickens is a well known English novelist, and his father was imprisoned, and so he left school and he had to work in a shoe factory. While he was working as an office boy, he started writing. He started his career of writing, and he wrote many novels like Oliver Twist, which is famous, which we are going to learn in this unit 2. It is an extract. The novels, you know what are novels? It's a long story. So, this, whatever lesson you are going to learn, Oliver asks for more, is only an extract, one of the extract taken from the lesson Oliver Twist. And his famous writings are Great Expectations. If you can get these books, you can also try to read it. You will really enjoy it very much. Okay, Great Expectations, Pickwick Papers, so Bleak House, A Tale of Two Cities, David Copperfield. So these are all his famous novels which has brought him a lot of name. Okay, even he went on lecture tours to America and got literary reputation. So after once he started writing, he got very name and fame, and he started giving lecture tours to America, and he got his that reputation. He focused mainly on the social issues and human ailments, and all his writings were only focused on all the social issues, whatever the problems presently are. So, all that he focused on. Okay, and so this lesson also tells us about one of the social issues. Now, this Oliver asks for more is about how an orphan is. So it is about a story of an orphan. Oliver is an orphan and how the orphanage children are treated. So we will come to know